Gefo has produced different types of densimeters since 1946. Gefo products are durable and high precision, and they bear the Made in Germany seal of quality. Globally, Gefo successfully holds its own against expensive technologies for identical applications.
With our gefo glycomet, we measure the concentration of antifreeze in water mixtures. This density measurement displays the frost protection. This is to say, the ice flake point on the scale. Density measurement functions by using the principle of buoyancy and was invented more than 2000 years ago by the Greek physicist Archimedes. To obtain meaningful measuring data, we determine variations in grams per thousandths of a gram. Adhering air bubbles can have a negative influence on the buoyancy and, as such, on the measuring result. So as to avoid unnecessary air bubbles, please already compress the suction ball outside of the vessel and only then suck in the liquid. If the measuring chamber is not completely filled, please repeat the procedure. Once the measuring chamber is completely filled, close the valve. Please tap off any air bubbles that may still be adhering. Now you can read out the measured value. If the displayed antifreeze content is too low, top it up with glycol and measure once again until the desired result is achieved. Using gefo centra, you can check the state of charge of the starter battery in vehicles, as well as rechargeable batteries of industrial trucks and battery systems for stationary installations. Gefo centra consists of a sleeve, ball, plug, probe and hydrometer. The bore's volume guarantees the necessary amount of liquid sucked in so as to achieve the floating state of the hydrometer. Please remove the transport cover of the hydrometer prior to using the device. By sucking in the electrolyte, please check all cells. The red color field means the battery is discharged. The yellow color field means the battery is half charged. The green color field means the battery is fully charged. You can easily read the charge level on the liquid edge of the floating hydrometer. If necessary, add battery acid until the concentration, so to say the density, indicates the required value. Please comply with the required safety regulations. If the standard hose doesn't have sufficient suction length, it can be replaced with any another random stopper, including a thinner hose. We measure the frost resistance of the windscreen washer system with gefo. Important! Please note, the antifreeze agents for the windscreen washer system of various manufacturers may have deviating antifreeze values at the same concentration. Therefore, we recommend the following. Mix a concentration of your antifreeze for the desired frost resistance, measure this with our instrument and note down the density value indicated on the scale of the hydrometer. This way, also when refilling later, you will have no problems maintaining the value you require. Please remove the transport cover of the hydrometer prior to using the device. Suck liquid from the container into the unit. If the concentration of antifreeze is not sufficient, top up with antifreeze and measure again until the desired frost resistance is achieved. If the standard hose does not have sufficient suction length, it can be replaced by a longer hose.
Gefo, because quality is measurable.